What's going on YouTube? Welcome back to this episode of Customs with Vic. Today we have a super exciting project for you guys. I have the honor to create this one-on-one custom for 21 Savage in collaboration with Snipes and Playstation. Snipes just dropped their super limited edition apparel line on November 21st. It features some super sick sweaters, long sleeves, t-shirts, pants, beanies, gloves, you name it. Check them out by clicking on the link down below. Now let's get into this custom. Over here we get these white Air Force Ones sent over by Snipes. We're gonna go in and get this a cool black, blue, and white paint job, as well as some stenciling, some laser engraving, and some LED lights. I don't wanna give too much away. You're gonna have to stay tuned to the very end of the video to see how these turn out. Also, stick around to the end because we are giving away one of our Rejuvenator holiday boxes. Stay tuned.
Sneaker giveaways are back. That's right guys, for the month of November, another crazy Rejuvenator giveaway is here. We'll be giving one lucky winner a chance at winning a pair of Grateful Dead SBs in your size. And these are valued over $1,000. All you have to do to enter, guys, is make sure you're subscribed to Rejuvenator, which you should be if you're watching this video. Follow Mini World on Instagram, which you can find in the description below, and sign up for the newsletter. And one lucky winner has a chance at winning these Grateful Dead SBs, guys. We have one more thing to do. You gotta go to gleam.io, which is linked in the description as well, and answer the secret question. And that's it, guys. I'm Johnny Bubbles. I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.
All right, let's get started. For this project, we are doing both shoes since they are for 21 Savage. Let's start taking them apart by taking out the shoelaces and insoles. Now it's time to destroy the shoe. For both shoes, we'll be removing the swooshes using an X-Acto knife and a seam ripper. They look like shark, like teeth. All four swooshes are off the shoe. Now let's move on to some prep work. We're gonna go over the entire leather on both shoes using acetone and cotton balls to remove the entire factory finish. Now onto the taping. We're gonna tape off the soles so we can get ready for a paint job here pretty soon. All done with the boring stuff. We're done with the prep work, got rid of all the factory finish, taped off the shoe, removed the swooshes. Now on to the fun stuff. We're gonna head over to the laser engraving room with Doug. We're back to the studio, all done with the laser engraving process. That part is always so much fun. It's so cool to witness that machine do such precision work. Over here we got this cool triangle OX square pattern all around all four swooshes. This came out super dope. We also got some brand new patches for the tongues. And, oh, of course, here we go. Snipes on one shoe, 21 Savage on the other shoe. We had to make sure this came out perfect because if it comes out crooked, that's it. You can't really do anything with the shoe. You can't go back and erase it. So I'm happy with how this turned out. Super exact, super precise. Let's keep it moving. The next thing we're gonna do is show the swooshes back onto the shoe. I've noticed a lot of you guys pointed out that I say the word swoosh wrong. Well, I'm gonna work on that. Swoosh. Let's head over to my sewing machine. Swooshes are on the shoe. This came out nice and perfect, but it did take a really long time. I think it's time for a new sewing machine. Now onto the painting. We're gonna lay down some white before we lay down our blues. White is completely down. Before we move on to the blues, we gotta do one more thing. We gotta remove the patches off the tongues before we continue on. Now, let's go ahead and lay down our first blue. We'll be laying down opaque blue from Jacquard. blue is laid down, looks really awesome. It's very vibrant. Now we're gonna lay down our second blue. We're gonna go around the edges and add a slightly darker blue. We'll be using the same blue I used originally, mixed with a little bit of violet. As you can see over here, I kind of started the shadowing process. It's very subtle, but it definitely makes it pop a little bit more. I did it right here in the front of the swoosh, in the back area, a little bit right here on the side. Now I'm gonna finish it up. These are starting to get PlayStation 5 vibes. Now onto the sock liner. We're gonna tape it all off so we can lay down the same blues. Blue is good to go in the sock liner and uppers. Now onto the second color. We'll be laying down this metallic black paint. I use pewter and black to mix it. This time we're gonna be laying down using my paintbrush. All done with the color blocking on the shoe. We still have the second one to go, but we'll come back to that in just a bit. Right now we're gonna focus on laying down the finisher on the black. We're gonna tape off all the blue areas. All right, let's go outside and spray our glossy finish. Here's where we're at, you guys. We went ahead and removed the tape off the shoe. There's some touch-ups here and there, but it's looking super clean. I'm a big fan of the color blocking on the shoe and the glossy black. Now onto the LED lights. We're gonna be installing them on both shoes. We got 2 holes on each side of the panels. Right here, we got our blue LED lights that are gonna fit perfectly inside those holes. These are from evandesigns.com. These are awesome. These are the only LED lights I use on all my shoes. Let's go ahead and hook up these LED lights to our battery. LED lights are all hooked up. Now real quick, before we go ahead and install them into the shoe, we gotta finish drilling these holes on the shoe. The holes are already there, but we just gotta finish creating the hole. That way the lights can fit through the inside out. I feel like I always say this, you guys, but this looks freaking sick. Now on to the last detail. We're gonna move on to the soles. We're gonna paint the air and the line using some gray paint so we can lace this shoe up. Alright guys, that is going to bring us to an end on these custom 21 Savage Snipe PlayStation 5 Air Force 1 customs. These were a lot of work. Anytime I have to do both shoes, it just takes forever. I'm just super glad both of these shoes are completely done. What I love about these shoes is the color blocking. It kind of reminds me of the Royal Air Jordan Blue ones. The only difference is the sock liner. Everything else looks super dope on it. Of course, my favorite part about this shoe is the laser engraved swooshes. Doug did an awesome job designing these swooshes and making it happen. I love them. It came out super dope. The gradient on the blue came out super dope as well. It's very subtle, but it's needed. It's slightly darker all around the edge of the toe box. Same thing with the swooshes. I also laser engraved the Snipes on this shoe and 21 Savage on this shoe over here. Added a slight gradient effect as well. Came out super clean. Of course, added the PlayStation 5 custom tags on the tongues. Lastly, we added the LED blue lights to the shoe. You can't have a PlayStation 5 custom without some LED lights to give it that effect. Overall, you guys, I am super happy on how these turned out. Now let's get into the giveaway. We are giving away this Reshoevn8ed holiday box. All you gotta do to enter is subscribe to Snipes' YouTube channel and comment down below your favorite 21 Savage song with your Instagram handle. Winner will be chosen and contacted in 72 hours. Good luck, everybody. This is Vick Almighty. Hope you guys enjoy this video. Catch you guys next Monday.